Welcome to this 5-video beginner series on creating an app from scratch using vibe coding. Vibe coding means you do not need to write every single line manually. You describe what you want. AI tools like OpenAI Codex, Claude Code, Google AI Studio, Cursor, Windsurf, VS Code with AI, or Replit help create or edit the code, and you guide the result like a product owner. In this series, we will use a task management app as the example. Users will sign up, log in, create tasks, mark tasks complete, and eventually use the app online. The goal is not to learn every advanced programming concept today. The goal is to understand the complete app building process in a simple, practical way. Think of AI as a fast assistant, not as the boss. If you say build me an app, the result will probably be messy. If you say create a sign-up page with email, password, validation, and a link to the login page, the AI has a clear job. Good vibe coding is small prompts, small changes, small tests, and small commits. This keeps the project understandable. When the AI makes code, ask it to explain anything confusing. You are allowed to learn while building. That is the point. Before opening an IDE, write one clear sentence. For example, I want to build a task management app for freelancers so they can create projects, add tasks, and track completed work. This sentence tells us who the app is for, what problem it solves, and what the user can do. If your idea is vague, AI has to guess. If your idea is specific, AI can help you create pages, features, database tables, and a better build plan. Specific beats clever every time. MVP stands for Minimum Viable Product. In normal language, it means the smallest version of the app that is still useful. For our task app, the MVP is not team chat, billing, calendar sync, mobile apps, and advanced analytics. The MVP is sign up, login, a dashboard, a task form, a task list, complete task, delete task, and deployment. Put big ideas into a later list. Do not delete them, just delay them. This helps you actually finish the first version. Now plan the pages. A simple app needs a home page, sign-up page, login page, dashboard, tasks page, and maybe settings later. Then write the user flow. Visit home, click sign up, create account, open dashboard, create task, mark task complete, and log out. This gives you a story to test. If the story works from start to finish, the app is becoming real. A database stores information your app needs to remember. For our example, the app needs users, projects, tasks, task status, and created dates. You do not need to become a database expert immediately. Ask one simple question: what information should still exist after the browser is closed? If the app should remember it, it probably belongs in the database. This data list will help us later with Supabase. Here is the build order for the whole series. First, plan the product. Second, set up the coding tools and build the front end. Third, save the project with GitHub. Fourth, add Supabase for database, login, and task features. Fifth, deploy and test the live app. This order matters because each step depends on the previous step. In the next video, we will set up the coding workspace and build the first screens.